So said, will there be any prophet coming after Hadrat?
Yes, I think this question was raised, I think, with children class yesterday. So I gave reference to a prediction of Hazrat Muslim himself. So he says that the last appearance of Messiah would be just before the days of Qiyamah, when the Qiyamat will befall the Ashrar al-Nas, the worst of the people. But because this is Allah's Sunnah, that He does not punish a people without giving them a warning. So the last warner would come. This time Masih would not come to give a glad tiding, but to warn them at the end of time. They took care, if you do not repent and do not reform yourselves, then God's punishment is going to overtake you and overwhelm you. So nobody will listen, and they will continue to live in their follies. Then the Qiyamat will befall them. That is the time when the resurrection will take place and mankind will be wiped out from the face of the earth. Right?